Father, as far as the daily veneration and all, तेजे तयारी कशी आसा?
तयारी आमची वेनरेशनाची चलता. पयली सुवातेर आमचो 21 तारखेर नोव्हेंबराची द सोलम प्रोसेशन ऑफ द सेक्रेड रेलिक्स फ्रॉम द बझिलिका टू द कॅथिड्रल. आमी जाणा सकाळी 9:30 वरांचेर मीस जातले पयले आमचे बाझिलिकाच्या पेंडोलान, आनी मिसा उपरांत मागीर आमचे पुरसांव द सोलम प्रोसेशन विथ द सेक्रेड रेलिक्स. अंदूच्या वर्सा आमी चिंतलां हें पुरसांव आमी खांद मारचें ना, पूण वी आर प्रिपेरींग अ कॅरेज. द सेक्रेड रेलिक्स वील बी पुट ऑन अ वेल adorned carriage so that all of us can take part in this solemn moment. हे मनान धरून आमी ही बदलणी केल्या. Normally people would carry it on their shoulders, also because of security reasons, also to give it a solemnity. We have brought about this change. The relics from the door of the basilica to the door of the cathedral will be carried on a well-adorned carriage. We are working on that. आमचो वेनरेशन सदांच आमचे 22 तारीख व 21 तारीख सांजे सान 4 तारीख जानेराची पासून आमचे सदांच वेनरेशन आसतलें. सकाळी 7 वरांचेर सुरू जातलें आनी सांजेच्या 6 वरांचेर पासून आसतलें वेनरेशन. हें वेनरेशनूय अंदूच्या वर्सा आमी चिंताव मातशी बदलणी केल्या, कित्याक लोकांक बोदीक मातसो वेळ जायनासतना बेगीन करूंक. आनी हें मनान धरून वेनरेशन आमी कॅथिड्रलाचे मेन डोर आसा तातूंतल्यान आमचो लोक भितर सरूंक म्हूण आमी येवजिताव.
कॅथिड्रलाच्या मेन
डोरांतल्यान भितर सरूंक, कित्याक नाजाल्यार फाटल्या वर्सांनी कितें जातालें, कॅथिड्रलाचे सायड डोरांतल्यान भितर सरतालो लोक आनी एकूच लायन जाताली. अंदूच्या वर्सा जायतो लोक वाडटलो हेंवूय मनान धरून ही बदलणी करूंक आमी येवजिता. ताचेरूय आमी लक्ष घाल्लां.
ओके. प्रोसेशन ऑन द फर्स्ट डे स्टार्ट जाता. मेन सेलिब्रंट कोण आसतले?
आमचे इनॉग्रल आमचे ओपनिंग आसा पळय तें एक्सपोजिशनाचें आमचो आर्च बिशप ऑफ दिल्ली मोस्ट रेवरंड अनिल कुतो, आमचो गोंयचोच कुतो, ताका आमी आमंत्रण दिलां ह्या पयल्या दिसाक येवंक. आमच्या फेस्ताक 3 तारखेर डिसेंबराचे फेस्ताक आमचो कार्डिनल आमचो आंतोनियो तागली, who's a pro-prefect of the dicastery for evangelization in Rome. He is from the Philippines. ताका आमी आमंत्रण दिल्लें आसा आनी आमी रावता तो आमचे बरोबर आसतलो म्हण आमची परबेक 3 तारखेर डिसेंबराची. आनी आमचे क्लोजिंग मागीर द क्लोजिंग ऑन द 5th of January. Our own Cardinal Philip Neri Ferrao will be presiding over the Eucharist. इमानदावळ आमची मिसा सदांचे भाशेन वर्सावळीची मिसा सदांच आमची 8 मिसा आसतली दिसपट्टी. पयले मीस सकाळी 6 वरांचेर आसता आनी निमाणे मीस आमचे इंग्लीश भाशेन आसता 6:15.
This will be all 45 days, Father?
All the 45 days. There will be 8 masses every day, beginning at 6 o'clock in the morning. We will have 7 masses in Konkani and the last mass in English. There is also possibility to have masses in other languages. For example, pilgrims coming from outside Goa. We also have kept a slot for them at 12:15 or at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. They can book a slot if they want to celebrate a mass in their own local language. That possibility will be there. पण आमची मिसा सदांची भाशेन आसतली.
Any update on whether Pope will be visiting Goa during the exposition?
the Pope visiting Goa during the exposition is not a possibility because, you know, the Pope is a head of a state and there is also protocol to invite the Pope. The national government has to invite the Pope, and the itinerary of the Pope is finalized at least 2 years in advance. No? So you can't expect the Pope to be with us within another 2 months. No? It's impossible because his programs are fixed well in advance. No? And I don't think, according to me, it's ruled out. You cannot expect the Pope to be here with us because it has to be planned well in advance and the invitation has to go from the national government.
आनी एक सेकंड तयारी कशी आहा रावपाची लोकांची बिकॉज मिलियन्स ऑफ पिलग्रिम्स विल कम हियर
आमचे पिलग्रिम्स जे येतात एकोमोडेशन सोदतात आमचे ऑनलायन आमची आर्च डायसिजन वेबसायट आसा थंयसरूय आमी घातलेले आसा खंयसर लोकांनी in our church institutions where they can seek accommodation. We have different church institutions around the Basilica in the city of Old Goa. थंयसर आमचे लोकांक accommodation आसा. We are trying to fill up those places. तशेंच आमच्या कॅथिड्रलानूय आहा. St. Joseph Vaz Renewal Center, Pastoral Institute. We accept people who ask us. They have to write an email. The email ID is given on the website so they can ask. Besides that, we are also thinking of accommodation facilities to provide tents for pilgrims, no? Because sometimes there are pilgrims who come walking. So those pilgrim centers will be set up in an area very close to the Basilica. So we are working on that along with the government. So that facility for the pilgrims, those who come at the last moment, want to stay somewhere, yes, that will be provided.
So finally, any updates on Baba hunचे कडे सान pilgrims येतले, especially who come walking? ते तुमका केन्नाय सांगता?
Exactly अजून पासून खंयच्यान येतले नको हांव, म्हाका अजून पासून तितलो म्हायती ना, कोणेच आमकां बरोवंक ना, सांगूंक ना. पूण आमची वर्सां ओडीची थोडी आमची भावां भयणां जी चलून येतात म्हाका दिसता ओदूंच्या वर्सा ताची परस दुसरी येतली नॉट ओन्ली फ्रॉम गोवा नॉट ओन्ली फ्रॉम नेबरिंग स्टेट्स ऑफ गोवा बट ऑल्सो देर आर पिलग्रिम्स कमिंग फ्रॉम other countries a lot of people from Kerala, Kanyakumari, they are also planning to come
Walking
no, they can't come walking, but they want to visit and come during the exposition time.
So overall, what would be your message to go on? So everybody.
I have always been saying that the exposition is a spiritual event. Bhagwan Francis Xavierच्या रेलिकांची दाखोवण आमकां एक ओत्मीक घडणी दी आनी ह्या पासत ही घडणीक आमी सगळ्यांनी तयार जावंक जाय आमची ओत्मीक तयारी It demands a renewal. This event is a constant reminder for us for the renewal of the church. Now the church has to focus so much on its missionary dimension. And ह्या पासत आमचो थीम वचात शुभ वर्तमान परगटात हे मनान धरून a renewal of the Catholic Church in Goa, renewal of our families, renewal of our small Christian communities. That is what we are looking for.
Thank you, Father.